In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Expensify. If you're looking for a way to effortlessly manage your expenses and generate comprehensive reports, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to navigate the platform like a pro, ensuring that your expense management is both efficient and effective. To begin, head over to the Expensify platform and focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu filled with various options designed to help streamline your workflow. Locate the tab labeled Reports, which is your gateway to creating new financial summaries. This section is crucial as it provides access to all your existing reports and serves as the starting point for creating new ones. Once you're in the Reports section, direct your gaze to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot a button that says New Report. Click on it. This action will initiate the process of crafting a new report tailored to your specific needs. It's worth noting that this feature is designed with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring that your experience is as smooth as possible. Now that you've opened the pane to create a new report, it's time to add the relevant expenses. This step is pivotal as it determines the information that will be featured in your report. Click on Add Expenses and you'll be presented with a list of expenses available for inclusion. Carefully select the ones that are pertinent to your report. If you're dealing with numerous expenses, take advantage of any sorting or filtering tools that might be available to make your selection process faster and more efficient. With your expenses carefully chosen, you're now ready to proceed to the final step, submission. Look for the Submit button, typically located prominently for easy access. Upon clicking this, you might be prompted to enter some additional details, usually regarding approver information. This step ensures that your report makes it to the right person for approval, integrating seamlessly into your overall accounting workflow. Once you've filled in the necessary details, such as the approver information, your report is ready to be viewed and utilized. It's that simple. You've successfully navigated the platform and created a comprehensive expense report in just a few streamlined steps. In summary, creating a report in Expensify is a straightforward process that involves navigating to the Reports tab, clicking to create a new report, selecting the expenses you wish to include, and submitting the report with any necessary approvals. Each step is designed to be quick and user-friendly, empowering you to manage your financial records with ease and accuracy. Thank you for joining me today in mastering the art of creating reports in Expensify. With these tools and strategies, you're well on your way to optimizing your financial management practices.